Hello guys, my name is Nadia and this is online Russian language school, which is called Russian World. Today we are going to talk about, I think, the most common phrases in the Russian language. These phrases are greetings. I think that they are very important in every language because when you meet a person, you usually say hello. The same we do in the Russian language. So here are the basic greetings. One of the most common greeting means hi, which is informal way to greet people. In Russian it sounds like привет.
Привет.
Привет. Привет. Let's try faster. Привет. Привет.
Ой. Генка, привет.
Привет.
One more greeting, more formal one, means hello. And it sounds like this. Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте.
Pay attention that we don't pronounce one letter here. We don't pronounce letter V, the first letter V. Let's try one more time. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. And let's try faster. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Okay, and now we will talk about how to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So the first phrase, good morning, we can say like this. Доброе утро.
Доброе утро.
Доброе утро.
Доброе утро. Let's try faster. Доброе утро. Доброе утро.
Доброе утро, Мон.
Доброе утро, Грик.
The next one, good afternoon, sounds like this. Добрый день.
Добрый день.
Добрый день.
Добрый день. Let's try faster. Добрый день. Добрый день.
Тихо!
Добрый день, Сан Саныч.
Добрый день.
And the last one sounds good evening. Добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер. Let's try faster. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер.
So these are the basic greetings in the Russian language. Write me down which phrase do you like the most. And write me down which topic would you like to discuss in our next video. If you like this video, don't forget to put like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I look forward to see you in our next video. Have a wonderful day. Пока. Bye.